Raimu-kun,
which is JA, Japan Agriculture. It's a cooperative among farmers.
Here's another one.
Oh, it's good.
I'm here with Akiko Hosunome, a senior staff member at the local JA, and I'd like to ask you a few questions. In the farmers market,
Yes.
there are a lot of pictures up on the wall. What are those pictures? Who are those pictures of?
They are the pictures of the farmers who bring their fresh vegetables to our market. We have about 400 farmers.
All right. This is an important ingredient in our bread. These are the ones that usually go.
Those are good.
These are 85.
Yeah, the pack will be a little harder. This would probably be good, or the grill is good.
Japanese onions. Smooth. Takizakura. これは全部欧州で作ったものですか？いや、福島県です。あ、福島県。
I drove.
To that. The best beef in Japan.
So this
Yes. Sirloin steak.
So this is Oshu beef.
マイサは？
欧州ビーフ。
欧州。OK。
焼く前を見てもらって。
Wow.
Yeah.
That looks good.
For
Piece you want? I'll grab this real fatty one right here.
Very, very good.
いただきます。
Oh, it's good. It's excellent.
It just melts.
Super juicy.
I don't eat beef often. When I eat beef, it's got to be Oshu. Our host for today is Mr. Daigo Fujinami. He was in one of our videos before. Check out the Sominsai video. And he makes a brief appearance in it. He is allowing us to use part of this his temple complex. This is the kotatsu, which is a table under here, under the futon. It's heated. Well, let's see if you can film it. It's not just...
Oh, wow.
Yeah. You get
wow.
space for your feet and everything.
See what?
You get nice and toasty while we eat our nabe, which we are about to prepare.
Oh my god, this is huge! Bill, do we need a 10-pound cabbage?
Maybe half.
A quarter?
An eighth, 16th.
So that's dense. Let's put the lid on to help it boil. Goodbye.